Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 4a and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center. We can also move to this button from the left to change the speed of our slow motion. We can pick from 1 and 4 speed. When we tap here we can change it to 1 and 8. And this is how it works here. Let's stay on this one and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on the center. To see the video, let's move to the right to this button. Here we can get quick access to the gallery. And this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. As you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.